What I love about being a engineer. Akala nyo engineer ang engineer. Tataka natin. Why? Para tayong hilaw na engineer. Di man tayo nakatapos, but we have the idea how the construction works. Not being an engineer, but the construction works. No? Very challenging siya sa akin. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Bakit? Ang nangyayari kasi, when I'm having a meeting, at nalaman nila na hindi ako professional engineers, nagkakaroon sila ng mata sa akin. So parang namamaliit ako. That's the reality. Why? Because you're facing professionals. Kausap mo yung mga nag-aral, nag-dedicate ng years of study para maging isang professional engineer. In whatever trades, in whatever profession it is. Minsan namamaliit nila. No? And not only that, being young. No? Isa yan sa mga crucial part ng pagiging isang engineer. Siyempre, nasa isip nila, hindi na ako engineer, ang bata ko pa. Kaya nagiging challenge sa akin yun. Yun ang pinakagustuhan ko. Kasi yan ang sinasabi nila na don't judge a book by its cover. Kumbaga, nasa-challenge ako kasi when we had the meeting, nagugulot sila sa knowledge na alam ko. Not on the technical side, ulitin ko not specifically on the technical side. No? Hindi natin, we have the idea, pero we don't have the broad or yung pinaka-detailed specific works, no? But we had the idea how to do it, how to accomplish it. That's it, no? And syempre, how we do it properly, no? So, kumbaga nagiging challenge sa akin yun. Bakit? Because I have to prove something to them. I have to prove something to the client na I can do the work. I can finish the work. I can do it properly na kahit hindi ako professional engineer, magagawa ko siya. So, that's what I came, yung knowledge and experience that I had through the years para may share sa kanila na they can trust me, no? Na they can give me their trust para matapos yung project. Ang nagiging challenging kasi sa akin is minsan yung mga engineers on site, yung mga third party, no? Kadalasan no kasi subcon ako. So yung mga GenCons na engineers doon, naki-question tuloy yung aking credibility na anong alam mo? At ka nandito, anong ginagawa mo dito? Yan, minsan nagugulat sila. Hindi naman ako professional engineer, pero marami ako na-accomplish na project. Marami nagtitiwala sa akin, no? Because I sell myself, I sell my company's reputation to do such work. Yun ang nagiging challenge sa akin dyan. So, ang nakakatuwa kasi doon is, at the end of the day, you have to prove them wrong. Hayaan mo sila, hinahayaan ko sila magsalita, hinahayaan ko silang basa akin or whatsoever. So be it. At the end of the day, kailangan ko lang naman ma-deliver ng project. What is given to me, kailangan na matapos ko siya on due time, on due process, and yung mga tamang methodology natin on site. Ang maganda kasi daw, kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan, nakikita ko yung finish ng project. Yung accomplish ng project, nakikita ko siya. So parang nakikita ko na parang kahit ganito ako, natatapos yung project. Yun yung maganda doon sa kung bakit ko siya ginugusto yung trabaho. Kahit sobrang hirap, sobrang sakit sa ulo, so madaming challenges, gusto ko siya. And when you love something that you do, magagawa mo na maayos siya.